Hey everybody, welcome again. In this video we will gonna discuss about semantic tags. There are around about 4 to 5 semantic tags, but we are gonna discuss about 2 to 3 semantic tags. These are header, main and the footer. Inside the header we will write the heading, the subheading or maybe a navigation bar. And inside the main we will write the main content of our web. And at last we will write the conclusion of our web or about the author, name or something. So let's start our lecture. Now first of all, for writing a header in our web we will use a tag named as header, and inside the header I will write h1 and I will write my title of my web, which is coding legend ak, and I will save. Now I can even change the background of my header by writing style attribute, and inside the style I will write background dash color. This is background dash color. Now I will select it and I will write a color name which is light blue and saved. Now we will gonna make navigation bar. I will write basic navigation bar, so I will write anchor tag and I will not write the link because we are going to make empty navigation bars. So I will write first of all home, saved. Now I will copy this and paste it 4 times. Now I will change this home to about us, the third home to product, and the fourth to contact us, and saved. Now I will write. Now first of all I will write horizontal line for making my web page more beautiful, and I will save it. That's looking good. Now we will use main tag. Inside the main tag we will write the main stuff of our web. So we will write first of all will be h4, and inside the h4 I will write check my YouTube pic and saved. Now I will write my image and I will write backslash image 2.jpg and I will save it. Now I can adjust the height by writing an attribute named as style. I will write style and I will write height, and I will adjust the height up to 200 pixels and I will save it. Now you can see the border of my pic is sharp. I can smooth it by writing border dash radius, and I will write this again and I will use semicolon, and I will write 200 or maybe 195 pixel and I will save it. Now you can see that the border of my pic is smooth. Now I will write some stuff. I can say that garbage stuff. So I will write P and I will write lorem and I will save it. Now I will write BR for line break and save. Now I will use my last semantic tag, which is footer, and inside a footer we will use a background color. We will use background color. First of all I will write style and I will write background dash color, and I will select also to light blue and I will save it. Now inside the footer I will write suppose channel, or maybe, or right, I will write channel author semicolon or maybe colon, and I will write coding legend AK, and I will write BR again for line break. I will just stop this BR and saved. Now I will use a copyright symbol. For writing a copyright, we will use and we will write copy, and we will write semicolon, and instead of the semicolon we will write 2023 copyright reserved, and I will save it. Now you can see a copyright symbol has formed. This is a copyright symbol. Now we will gonna write a BR for line break. I will write BR, and I will write an email. Suppose an anchor tag, and inside the href we will write melto colon coding legend AK, and add the date into Gmail. This is add the date. No, this is add the date on the Gmail. Now inside the anchor I will write coding legend. This is coding legend AK. Add the date into gmail.com or simply.com, and I will save. This is our email logo. Now that's all for now. Take care and goodbye.